India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud
of it.
Proud of it.
Rich and
Rich and
very heritage.
very heritage.
I shall always try to be
Try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers, and all elders, respect, and lead everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being, and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Hello everyone, today's weather forecast is brought to you by Nancy. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, precipitation 10%, humidity 63%, wind speed 19 km per hour. Thank you, that's the end of today's news bulletin.
Happy morning everyone, my name is Grade-VII from Grade-VII Topaz, here to tell you a thought. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. I am repeating again. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Meaning, failure is just the beginning of learning, not the end. We should never give up, but learn and try again until we succeed. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, today word is brought to you by Grade-VII method of Grade-VII Topaz. Word, unison, meaning together. And second I repeat, unison, meaning together. Friends, please tell after me. Unison. U-N-I-S-O-N. Unison. Thank you. Everyone, I am K. Kumara, Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am here to ask you some riddles. Riddle for Grade-VII. I have a neck but no head. I have two arms but no hands. What am I? I am repeating once again. I have a neck but no head. I have two arms but no hands. What am I? Yes, you pick the right answer. And answer is set. Let us all apply them. Riddle for Grade-VIII. What words contain 26 letters but only has 3 syllables? Yes, you pick the correct answer. And answer is alphabet. Let us all upstate him. Riddle for Grade-X. David's father had 3 sons. That's Michael and I am repeating once again. David's father had 3 sons. David and Snap and yes, you pick the answer. And answer is David. Let us all upstate him. Open reading for all. What word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Yes, you pick the correct answer. And answer is incorrectly. Let us all appreciate him. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Good morning to everyone. My name is Amulya of Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am going to share a beautiful story on failure. Once upon a time there was a king who guides his people and makes his people happy and comfortable. He was a great king. His name is King Use. He was winning all the wars, but suddenly he started to lose the war. Then one day he sat alone under a tree and thinking about his people. He saw a spider climbing on tree. It is trying to climb the tree but it is losing. Then he tried 6 several times to climb the tree but it lost. Then the king told, "You stupid, you tried several times to climb the tree but you did not do it. Then why to waste your time?" said the king Lucen. Then a spider tried again. Successfully it climbed the tree. Then the king thought, "I am a king. I have to serve my people," and he went back to his kingdom. Then he went to a war and he successfully won in that war. Then failure is not the end, rather a step towards success. Now I told you a story. Can you tell more of the story? Yes, that's correct. The moral of the story is try until you succeed. Thank you. Have a good day.